Thank you very much, I appreciate it. I have heard and read various opinions, including those of legal experts, who have stated that there is no case and no crime involved. The situation is not a criminal one. It is concerning to see a double standard when violent crime is escalating in the nearby area. This case could have been brought forward 3 years ago, but the district attorney decided not to pursue it. They acknowledged that it is not a crime. We are here dealing with something that is not a crime, and it is unprecedented. The interference in this election is being orchestrated by the White House under Joe Biden's administration. They have appointed individuals, including Colin Angelo, within the DA's office to ensure everything goes according to their plan. This is a dark and troubling time for our country. Looking outside, the streets are vastly different from when I left New York. They are dirty and plagued with crime. Walking down the street today puts you at risk of being mugged or shot. Despite legal experts and scholars stating that there is no crime or understanding of what crime has been committed, they persist with their efforts to damage me in the election because I am leading by a significant margin. This is their way of cheating. They had a different strategy last time, and now they are resorting to something much more underhanded that is typically associated with corrupt and unstable nations. They are rushing this process because they desperately want to conclude it before the election. They don't care about the fairness or justice of the situation. If the election was over, they would not have brought this case. Moreover, if I were performing poorly in the polls, they would be extremely pleased because they do not want me to succeed. The poll numbers show that we are winning by a large margin. This is the current situation. I will speak with you later once we know what will happen. We want delays because I am running for re-election, and it is impractical for me to spend all my time in a Manhattan courthouse. I should be in South Carolina, where the people are and where I am needed. Instead, I am dealing with a situation that legal scholars cannot comprehend because there is no crime. Even if I were guilty of something, there is no crime. It is a sad day for New York, and it is essential for them to focus on addressing violent crime rather than fabricating accusations. Thank you very much, and we will stay connected. I believe he will continue to utilize the courtroom as a platform for his campaign. Throughout his political career, he has consistently used legal proceedings as opportunities to promote his agenda. I anticipate that this pattern will persist. The argument that being involved in this case takes him away from the campaign trail may not hold true because, in a sense, this case is part of the campaign trail itself. Kaitlyn Collins, reporting from outside the New York courthouse during the campaign, provides a different perspective compared to previous campaign trials. It is worth noting that the ongoing argument inside the courthouse, as explained by Paul Reed and Kristen Holmes, is quite remarkable. From a political standpoint, Trump is frustrated that Nikki Haley has not dropped out of the primary race despite it being practically over based on the numbers. However, the defense is currently asserting that starting the trial on March 25 and lasting for 6 weeks, as predicted by the judge, would be unconstitutional because it would coincide with the ongoing primary process. They question the legitimacy of this primary process, and Trump's campaign team firmly believes that he will secure the nomination by mid-March. The fact that a Republican nominee would be facing a criminal trial in the midst of a campaign cycle is unprecedented and adds to the significance of the situation. Trump's lawyers are expected to employ various tactics to delay the trial, as they have done before. Thank you for watching. Before you go, please leave your thoughts in the comments section, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.